Hello dear students. In previous class we have discussed about the method how to calculate the trigonometric ratios for any angle from 0 to 90 degree by using trigonometrical tables. Okay. In this class we will discuss the reverse method. When the value of the trigonometric ratios will be given, you have to find the value of theta. Okay. Just exactly the reverse method. Okay. So for explaining this method, I will start by an example. Okay. So fourth example, example 4 of your book on page number 463. Okay. So given that sine theta is equals to 0.2826. Sine theta equals to 0.2826. Okay. In previous cases, value of theta was given. We need to calculate the value of the ratio. But in this case, the value of the ratio is provided, is given. You have to find the value of the angle theta. Okay. So how will find that angle theta? This is not the value that is from the standard table. So we can't write here 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 because this value is not from the standard table. So you have to see the trigonometrical tables. So first step, 2826. If exactly this value is there in the table, then you can write the angle exactly. But if this value is not exactly in the table, you have to see the nearest preceding value. So 0.2826. At first try to see that this value is in the table or not. Okay. So see at the end of your book natural science table. Okay. So find the value 2826. So 2826. 2826 is not there in the table. This value is exactly not in the table. Okay. So you have to see the nearest preceding value of 0.2826. So nearest preceding value of this value. So see the table and you can see that 16 degree, 16 degree and 24 minute. Sine 16 degree and 24 minute. The value of sine 16 degree 24 minutes, that is given 0.2823. 0.2823, just preceding value of 0.2826. So sine 16 degree 24 minutes. So sine 16 degree 24 minutes, that is equals to 0.2823. So sine 16 degree 24 minutes, that is 0.2823. We have taken the nearest preceding value of the given value. Okay. So how much difference is there between these two values? We have calculated that for 0.2823 the angle will be, the value of the theta will be this one. But here it is 0.2826. So how much difference is there between these? So difference is equals to 0.2826 minus 0.2823. Okay, that is equals to 0.0003. So this is the difference. Okay, we have calculated the angle for this ratio, this value of the ratio. Okay, but we need to find for the angle theta for 0.2826. So this value is less from this value. Okay, so for this difference we have to find the angle, then you will add with this one, then you will get the value of theta for this value 0.2826. Okay, so difference is 0.003. So mean difference for, okay, so 0.003. Now this difference you have to see in the mean differences column. Mean differences column means the last 5 columns. Okay, so 16 degree, that is 16 degree. So see the 16-degree row. For 16-degree row, where in mean differences column there is 3. There is 3 in 1 minute column. 3 is in 1 minute column. This 3. Mean differences, as I have told already that this 3 means we have to write in 4 decimal places form. So 3 will be 0.003. It means this 0.003 means in mean differences column there is 3. And in 16-degree row, 3 is in 1 minute column. Okay. It means mean differences for 1 minute is equals to 0.0003. Okay. So first of all, we have written what is given. Then we have found the angle for the value just preceding the value nearest to this one, this value. Then the difference we have calculated. So this, for this value, angle is already calculated. So this one you have to add here. So this value you have to add here, then you will get this one. It means when this value will be added, so angle will be added to this one, because for sine we know that if the angle is increasing, the value will increase, or the value will increase if the angle will increase. Okay. So if this value, if you add here, then it will become this one, and this 1 minute you have to add here, then you will get the angle. Okay. So so theta equals to therefore theta equals to 16 degree 24 minute plus 1 minute, that is equals to 16 degree 25 minutes. Okay. So again I am explaining, when this one will be given, you have to find the angle theta. In this case you have to find the, if this value is exactly in the table, then you can write the angle exactly. Okay. Clear? If this value is not in the table exactly, then what you have to do? You have to take the nearest preceding value. Nearest preceding value to 2826 is here in the table, that is 16 degree 24 minute. For 16 degree 24 minute, the nearest preceding value is 0.2823. Okay. But we have to find the angle for this value, that is 0.2826. So how much difference is there? 0.003. So this difference means this is the mean differences. So you have to see the mean differences column. For 16 degree, the mean differences column 3 is in the column 1 minute. So mean differences for 1 minute equals to this value. So if you add this to this one and this one, then you will get this one. So this angle 1 minute also will be added to this one, then you will finally get the value. Okay. So this is the method when trigonometric ratios for sine theta will be given, then you have to find the angle theta. Okay. So this is for sine theta. Okay. Now come to solve the problem for cos theta. When the cos theta will be given, you have to find the angle theta. For that I am taking the next example, that is example number 5. So example number 5 on the same page 463. Okay. So the example that is given, find the angle theta when cos theta equals to 0.8637. 0.8637. Cos theta 0.8637. Cos theta is given 0.8637. Okay. You have to find the angle theta. So first of all, same method, but little bit difference will be there in this part. Okay. First part is same. Okay. At first you have to see this value in the table. The exact value will be in the table or not, that you have to see. Okay. So first of all, check the value, that is 0.8637. 0.8637. So 0.8637 is not there in the table exactly. Okay. So you have to see the preceding value. You have to see the preceding value, that is of 0.8637. So nearest preceding value that you have to see. Okay. So nearest preceding value of 0.8637, that will be 8634, 0.8634, that is in 30 degree column and 18-degree row, 30-degree column and 18-degree row. So cos 30-degree 18 minutes, that is equals to 0.8634. 0.8634. The value of cos 30-degree 18 minutes, that is equals to 0.8634, which is the nearest preceding value of 0.8637. So now we have to find the differences. Okay, the differences you have to find, because we have taken the preceding value, not exactly that value. So you have to find the difference. So how much difference? 0.86 0.8637 minus 0.8634, that is equals to 0.0003. So this is the difference between the value that is given and the preceding value we have taken. Okay, this is the difference between them. So for phi 0.003, this mean differences, you have to find the angle. For how much angle? This is the mean differences. So now you have to see the mean differences columns. Okay, so for 30-degree, mean differences column, okay, that is 2 minutes. For 2 minutes the mean differences is 3. 3 means 0.003. So mean differences for 2 minutes, that is equals to 0.003. Now the changes is there. Okay, so what is the change here? In cos theta, for cos theta, in previous class we have discussed that in cos theta, when theta was given, you have to find the value. I told that the mean differences will be subtracted from that, because when in for cos theta, when the angle increases, the value of the trigonometric ratios, that is cos theta, decreases. Okay, it means 0.8634. For this value, this is the angle 30-degree 18 minutes. Okay, but we need to find the angle for 0.8637. So we have to add this with this value. Okay, sorry, not, we have to add this value with this one, then you will get this one. So this difference you have to add with this one, where it means this difference, when this difference will be added to this one, this value will increase and it will be 0.8637. Okay, so value is added, it means it is increasing, so the angle will decrease. Okay, it means this angle will be subtracted from this one. Okay, just opposite sine theta. Okay, so the angle will be, therefore theta equals to 30-degree 18 minutes minus 2 minutes, that is equals to 30 degree. Just the reverse thing. Okay, when this will be added to this one, it means we have to find this value, and for that value the angle theta will be 30-degree 18 minutes minus 2 minutes. So it is finally 30-degree 16 minutes. Okay, mean difference is added, then you have got this one, and angle will be subtracted, because angle, when angle will increase, then ratio will be decreased. When ratio will increase, angle will be decreased. So this is for cos theta and this is for sin theta. And for tan theta, it will be exactly same with sin theta. There will be no differences between sin theta and tan theta method. Both the method will be same. So I am not explaining that one. You can follow the same steps for sin theta. Now I am directly coming to the exercise portion. Okay. So exercise 19. Exercise 19 on page number 464. 464. Okay. First problem and first part. In each part, 4 problems are there, but I will solve only one problem, and rest of the 3 problems will be same exact with this problem. Okay. So I am taking the first problem. That is, we have to find the value of sine 35 degree 22 minutes. Sine 35 degree 22 minutes. Okay, you have to find the value of this one. Okay, in previous class we have already discussed for sine theta how we have to find the trigonometric ratios. Okay, we will follow exactly that steps. Okay, so at first you have to see that this is multiple of 6 or not. 22, that is not multiple of 6. So you have to write this one in the form of multiple of 6 plus something. So we will write that sine 35 degree 18 minutes plus 4 minutes. Okay, so you can write that because 18 is multiple of 6 plus 4. So 18 plus 4, again it is 22 minutes. Now we will find the value of sine 35 degree 18 minutes first. Okay, so sine 35 degree 18 minutes, that is equals to, you have to see this value from the table. Okay, so see the table, 35 degree 18 minutes. 35 degree means extreme left column. You have to see the extreme left column, that is 35 minutes, 35 degree, and 18 minutes, 18 minutes. So 18 minutes, that the value is 0.5779. 0.5779. Okay. So the value of 35 degree 18 minutes, that is equals to 0.5779. Now you have to find the trigonometric ratios for at 35 degree for 4 minutes mean differences. 4-minute mean differences. So mean differences for 4 minutes. Now see the 35 degree row. 35 degree row for 4 minutes it is given 10. It is given 10 means you have to write like this, 0.0010. Okay, 4 decimal places, in the form of 4 decimal places you have to write. So 0.0010. Now finally 35 degree 18 minutes, that is 0.5779, and for 4 minutes 0.0010. Okay, so these two will be added and these two will be added together, because for sine, if the angle increases, the ratio of the value of the ratio also increases. So finally, therefore, sine 35 degree 18 minutes, sorry, not 18 minutes, 18 plus 4, that is 22 minutes. That will be equals to 0.5779 plus 0.0010. So this is equals to 0.5789. So this is the, finally this is the value of sine 35 degree 22 minutes, that is equals to this one. Okay, and 3 parts are there, or 4 parts are there, rest of the 3 parts are same as it is this part. Okay, so you can solve back home by yourself. Okay, now I am coming to question number 2, that is for cos theta. Okay, question number 2. Okay, question number 2, first part I am taking. Okay, so first part, it is given that cos 62 degree 27 minutes, cos 62 degree 27 minutes. Okay, you have to find the trigonometric ratios, value of the trigonometric ratios for cos 62 degree 27 minutes. Okay, so first of all you have to see that this is multiple of 6 or not. 27 is not multiple of 6. Okay, so you have to write this one in the form of multiple of 6 plus something. Okay, so this can be written as cos 62 degree 24 minutes plus 3 minutes. Okay, 24, that is multiple of 6 and plus 3 minutes. So finally it is 27 minutes. Now we have to find the value of cos 62 degree 24 minutes. So cos 62 degree and 24 minutes, you have to see the value from the table. So let us see the value of this one from the table. 62 degree 24 minutes, 62 degree 24 minutes. So 62 degree 24 minutes, that is 0.4633, 0.4633, 0.4633. Okay, so we have calculated the value of cos 62 degree 24 minutes. Now 3 minutes that is left. Okay, so you have to find the mean differences for 3 minutes. So mean differences for 3 minutes, that is equals to, in the 62 degree row you have to see that. So 62 degree row, mean differences for 3 minutes, that is given 8. 8 means you have to write 0.0008. Okay, clear? Now you have to find the value of cos 62 degree 27 minutes. So 24 for 62 degree 24 minutes, that is already calculated. This 3 minutes you have to add here. So angle, when you will add this angle, the angle will increase. It means the ratio will decrease. It means that you have to subtract from this value. Okay, because we know that when the angle is increasing for cos theta, from the standard table you can see that when the angle is increasing, the value of cos theta is decreasing. So this 3 minutes will be added to this one to find the value of 62 degree 27 minutes. Okay, so when you will add this angle with this one, the angle will increase. It means this value will decrease, and you have to subtract this value from this one. So finally, therefore, cos 62 degree 27 minutes, that is equals to 0.4633 minus 0.0008, that is equals to 0.24625. So 0.4625. So finally the value of cos 62 degree 27 minutes, that is equals to 0.4625. Okay, now sin theta is done, cos theta is done. Now rest of the problems you can solve by yourself exactly following this method. And for tan theta, so I am taking the question number 3, first part. So question number 3, first part. Okay, question number 3, first part, that is given that tan 15 degree 2 minutes, tan 15 degree 2 minutes. Okay, so you have to find the value of the trigonometric ratios tan 15 degree 2 minutes. Okay, so at first you have to see that this is multiple of 6 or not. 2 is not multiple of 6, so you have to write this one in the form of multiple of 6 plus something, but here is only 2, that is less than 6. So we can't write this one in the form of multiple of 6 plus something. But how will write this one then? This can be written as tan 15 degree plus 2 minutes. Okay, 15 degree 2 minutes, you can write that 15 degree 2 minutes. Okay, or you can write that it will be clear that 15 degree 0 minutes plus 2 minutes. You can write that. This 0 minutes you can write or not, that is upon your choice. Okay, so 15 degree 0 minutes plus 2 minutes. Okay, so this value can be easily calculated, that is called tan 15 degree 0 minutes. Okay, so tan 15 degree. I am not writing 0 means it is it is obvious that there will be 0 minutes. Okay, if you write or not write, that doesn't matter. Okay, so for 15 degree 0 minutes, that is for 15 degree. See the table, tan table. So natural tangent table, see the extreme left 15 degree. 15 degree and 0 minutes column. 0 minutes column means exactly 15 degree, that is. So 15 degree 0.2679. 0.2679. Okay. So tan 15 degree equals 0.2679. Now the main differences that is left 2 minutes. Okay. So main differences for for 2 minutes, that is equals to, for 2 minutes that is given 6. 6 means 0.0006. Okay, and sin theta and tan theta, the method is same. For sin theta and tan theta, methods are same. Okay, so therefore finally tan 15 degree 2 minutes. For 15 degree this one, and for 2 minutes this one. So these two angle will be added and these two ratios will be added, because for tan theta, when the angle will increase, the trigonometric ratios also increase. So it means 0.267906. Okay. So the final this is 0.2685. So the value of tan 15 degree 2 minutes, that is equal to 0.2685. Okay. So these are the types of problems that you have to solve for sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Okay. These are direct method. When angle will be given, you have to find the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now, when the trigonometric ratios will be given, you have to find the angle. That at the beginning of this lecture, I have discussed already the method how to find. Now I am solving the problem. Okay. So question number 4. Okay. Question number 4, first part. Okay. That is given sin theta equals to 0.5789. Sin theta equals to 5789. Sin theta equals to 0.5789. 0.5789. Okay. Clear. So sin theta equals to given, you have to find the angle theta. So first of all, you have to see that this value is exactly in the table or not. So see the table, sin table. Okay. 0.5789. 0.5789. No, this value is not in the table. So what you have to take? You have to take the nearest preceding value of this one. Okay. So nearest preceding value of 0.5789. 0.5789. That is 0.5779. 0.5779. So that is the value of 35 degree 18 minutes. So sin 35 degree 18 minutes, that is equal to 0.5779. So this is the preceding, nearest preceding value of this one. Okay, is sin 35 degree 18 minutes. Okay. So then you have to find the differences. So differences is equals to 0.5789 minus 0.5779. So that is equal to 0.0010. Okay. So this is the difference between these two. Okay. So mean differences for this one you have to find. For which minute? for how much minute this is the mean differences. So see the 35-degree column, sorry 35-degree row, 35-degree row 10, 10 is for 4 minutes. So mean differences for for 4 minutes, that is equals to 0.0010. Okay, this is sine theta. We have to find the angle theta for 0.5789. So this value will be added to this one, then it will become 0.5789. So the angle also will be added to this one, because for sine they are directly proportional. It means when theta will increase, this will increase, theta will decrease, this will decrease. So we are adding these two. It means this value is increasing and it will become 0.5789. So this 4 minute also will be added to this one. It means therefore theta equals to 35 degree 18 minutes plus 4 minutes, that is equals to 35 degree 22 minutes. Okay. Now for cos theta, rest of the three problems will be same as it is, that is explained already. For next question number 5, first part for cos theta. Okay, question number 5, first part, it is given that cos theta equals to 0.4625. Cos theta equals to 0.4625. Same method. At first see that this value is in the table or not. So for that cos theta. Okay. 0.4625. 0.4625. Okay, 4625, 0.4625 is not in the table, so you have to take the nearest preceding value of 4625. That will be 0.4617, 0.4617. Okay, so cos, for which angle this is 0.4617, 4617, that is for 62 degree and 30 minutes. So cos 62 degree and 30 minutes, the value is 0.4617. Now differences. Differences, that is equals to 0.4625 minus 0.4617, that is 0.0008. So differences is this one. Okay, for how much minute this is the mean differences, that you have to find now. Okay, now see that 62 degree rows, 62 degree row, that is 8. 8 is the value of 3 minutes. For 3 minutes mean differences. Mean differences for 3 minutes, that is equals to 0.00, okay, 8. And this is for cos theta, so you have to subtract that. Okay, so for these two values will be added, these two, 0.4617 plus this one, then it will become 0.4625. So as these two value will be added, then it will increase to this one. It means the angle will decrease. Okay, because value is increasing, it means the angle will decrease. So finally theta equals to 62 degree 30 minutes minus 3 minutes. Okay, that is equals to 62 degree 27 minutes. Okay, so this is for cos theta. Okay, now come to the, and rest of the parts will be same as it is. Okay, now come to the next problem, that is question number 6, first part. Question number 6, first part for tan theta. Okay. Question number 6, first part, tan theta equals to 0.2685. 2685. Tan theta equals to 0.2685. That is question number 6, first part. Okay. Now you have to see that this value is exactly in the table or not. So try to see that. 0.2685. 2685. Okay. 2685 is not in the table. Okay. So you have to see the nearest preceding value. Nearest preceding value to 0.2685. There it is 0.2679. So tan 15 degree. Tan 15 degree goes to 0.2679. 15 degree 0 minutes, that is 0.2679. 15 degree 0 minute means 15 degree exactly. Okay, so this is the nearest preceding value of the given value, that is 0.2685. So differences that is equal to 0.2685 minus 0.2679. So that will be equals to 0.0006. Okay, so this is the mean difference. Okay, so for how much angle this is the mean difference? See that table, 15 degree 0.006. It means this is for 2 minutes. Okay, so mean difference is for 2 minutes, that is equals to 0.0006. Okay, so we have to find the angle for 0.2685. So this value will be added to this one. It means this angle will be added to this one, because for tan theta, when the ratio is increasing, the angle also will increase. It means finally theta equals to 15 degree plus 2 minutes. So 15 degree 2 minutes. So for this ratio, the angle will be theta, that will be 15 degree 2 minutes. Okay. So these are the methods, and rest of the problems you can solve by yourself by following this method. So these are the concepts and problems and the methods to find the trigonometric ratios or finding the angle when trigonometric ratios will be given. So this is all about this chapter. Okay, so you can see the methods, you can see the concepts, and you can solve rest of the problems. Okay, so thank you.